Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I am at Sunday Book Bazaar in Daryaganj. It is 5 o'clock in the evening. So let's walk around and see the Sunday Book Bazaar of Daryaganj. So this is a very popular Delhi institution. Every Sunday from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. all these booksellers, they come and put out books here. So you can find any kind of book here. So from course material books, preparation of entrance exams, to popular bestsellers, you can find it all here at a very good reasonable price. So you can see the books on display. You can also find notebooks and writing pads and diaries here at a very reasonable price. You can also get art materials and art supplies. So right now it is 5 o'clock and the market is now slowly shutting down. They are here till 6 o'clock.
ये भाई ये नहीं, ये वाले फिल्मों वाले हैं नहीं, फिल्मों वाले नहीं.
So this seller is selling first day cover which are unique and rare, priced between 20 rupees to 50 rupees, and he's also selling stamps from India and international stamps. And these are magnetic bookmarks. You can buy posters also here, some interesting posters. So this is 5:30 now in the evening, and by 6:30 the market will close down. So the best time to come is around 4 o'clock, 4:30. So you can find books for as low as 20 rupees here. You can buy bestsellers for 50 rupees. So it's a good place for students and those on a budget. And you can find some rare books here which you won't find anywhere else. So that's the beauty of Sunday Book Bazaar. See these, some of the very rare books you can find. These tables are for 250 each, which seems like a bargain to me. So you can check them out when you come to Sunday Book Bazaar. And now it's I think 5:45 and the market would be shutting down in some time. So it's a book lover's paradise. Students love it. You get great bargains. Pick up writing pads, art materials, books, study material, books for your college and entrance, bestsellers, mostly books in Hindi and English and probably Urdu, and that's it. Not too much of regional language publications. And you can see lots of Murakami here. Each is for like $100, 150. There is Sally Rooney. So yeah, all the books at the bestsellers, they are all here. So this is like 6:15, almost closing time. So that was my short video of Sunday Book Bazaar. It's a Delhi institution. It's been around for like more than 30 years. And if you're a book lover, you should come here and check it out. It's an experience coming here. You will definitely leave inspired. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Thank you.